In this video, I'm going to show you how to integrate Calendly with PayPal step by step so you can start collecting payments when people book your events. This is a great setup if you offer paid consultations, coaching calls, service appointments, or any kind of booking where you want payment to happen upfront. It helps you save time, reduce no-shows, and make your scheduling process much more professional. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software guides just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, sign into your Calendly account. Once you're inside your dashboard, look over to the left-hand sidebar and click on Integrations. This is where Calendly lets you connect with other tools and services, including payment options. On the Integrations page, search for PayPal. When you find it, click Connect. At this point, Calendly will ask you to sign into your PayPal account. Go ahead and enter your PayPal credentials and complete the login process. After that, PayPal will show you an authorization screen asking you to allow Calendly access to your account. This step is very important because it gives Calendly permission to handle payment settings for your bookings. Review the permissions carefully and then authorize the connection. Once the integration is connected successfully, go back to Calendly and open the scheduling section. From there, choose the event type you want to charge for. For example, this could be a discovery call, a private session, a coaching appointment, or any other paid booking type. Click into that event so you can edit its settings. Now look for the payment section. If your PayPal integration was successful, you should see PayPal listed there. This confirms that Calendly is ready to use PayPal as a payment method for that event type. If you don't see it yet, double check that you completed the login and authorization steps correctly. Next, enable the option that says Require Payment to Book. This is the setting that makes sure customers must pay before they can confirm their appointment. After enabling that option, select PayPal as the payment method. Then enter the amount you want to charge for the booking. Make sure the price is correct, because this is what your clients will be required to pay before their event is confirmed. Once everything looks good, click Save Changes, and that's it. You've now integrated Calendly with PayPal and set up paid bookings for your event type. From this point on, anyone scheduling that meeting will be prompted to pay through PayPal before their booking is completed. It's a simple setup, but it can make a big difference if you want to automate payments and keep your calendar organized. If this video helped you, please hit the like button and subscribe so you don't miss the next tutorial. And if you want more step-by-step guides on tools like Calendly, PayPal, and other business apps, stick around. I've got more helpful videos coming soon.